Hello, and welcome to Nightmare's 3 Days Weather Forecast. I'm Olubi Adademola, and what an eventful weather weekend we've had in the last couple of days. Lots of active weather conditions have been reported across the country from the north to the south. And in the wake of Tuesday morning, we see some active clouds over part of the northeast of Maiduguri, part of Kano and Jigawa, and also part of Benue, Taraba, and also part of Nasarawa are quite active on Tuesday morning. And we believe this will pave way for activities of weather, of thunderstorms and rains that we expect on Tuesday afternoon and evening hours. So before Tuesday ends, there are chances of rainfall and thunderstorms over cities around the central states of the FCT and part of Niger. And also before the end of the day, towards midnight and the early morning hours on Wednesday, we expect thunderstorms over Katsina and also part of Sokoto. We can't also rule out some activities of rainfall and thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon over the coastal areas of the country. We expect temperatures to get lowered over parts of the north, as places in the northeast will report temperature ranging within 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. The northwest will also have a drop in temperature, with Sokoto Guzo reporting temperature around 31 and 32 degrees Celsius. Abuja will also record a lower temperature of 29 degrees Celsius, while over the southwest, temperature will range within 29 to 32 degrees Celsius. The southeast as well, we have places around Eket, Port Harcourt reporting a low temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Wednesday is likely to start with some thunderstorms along the northwest of the country and some few areas around the inland of the southwest. We expect other activities to be in the afternoon over part of the FCT and the inland areas of the southeast and the coast of the southeast, with places around Niger Delta, places around Warri, Yenagoa should get ready for some high precipitation, which could lead to some flash flooding. We expect temperatures to still remain within 33 to 35 degrees Celsius over cities in the northeast, with Dutse reporting 33 degrees Celsius. Kano is likely to report a temperature around 34 degrees Celsius, while Sokoto will also report the same. We expect FCT to have temperature rise to about 30 degrees Celsius, which is still fair, while that of the southwest will range within 30 to 31 degrees Celsius over Lagos, Ijebu-Ode, part of Ondo, and part of Isheyin. We expect the southeast coast, areas around Port Harcourt and part of Niger Delta to report temperature around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. We also expect Thursday to give us some good weather activities with some respite expected over some few cities around Bauchi and Gombe. Part of Plateau and the FCT, part of Kaduna and part of the Northwest are likely to report thunderstorms in the afternoon, while we can't also rule out some activities of thunderstorms over the coast of Lagos and also part of Asaba, Benin, part of Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, and also part of Calabar on Thursday afternoon. We still expect temperature over the north to range within 36 to 37 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while the northwest will also have temperature around Katsina and Kano ranging within 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. Abuja will have temperature rise to 31 degrees Celsius, while Niger will have temperature around 29 degrees Celsius. In the southwestern region, we expect temperature to go up by 31 to 32 degrees Celsius over most inland cities, while the coastal areas of the southeast will have temperature around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius as well. And that's where we'll leave you for this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. Do join us for updates in the coming days. Thank you for watching.